Hello everyone, I want to welcome you here to Car Connection Online YouTube channel, and today we are featuring this 2011 Isuzu NPR-HD 5.2 diesel 16-foot box truck with 165,000 miles. I just want to say that this engine has been replaced with a new motor that has approximately 46,000 miles on it. We have documentation to show it. Let's go through this truck and I'll show you all the features and how good this truck actually really is. This is a pretty nice truck all around. You're not going to see any crash bumpers. You're going to see a little bit of imperfection, nothing major, okay? Overall, the truck is very good. The cab is in good shape. Tires are in good shape, okay? The box is in very good shape. There was writing on that we took off, but as you can go to the back tires, you see the back tires have plenty of tread. The rims are in good shape. Box overall is in very good condition. Back bumper as well. You know, there's a little bit going on here, but it's not a mangled rear bumper. So it's actually a pretty good truck all around. Okay. As we go to the driver's side rear tires, you see they're in good condition. The bed on this side, the box on this side is in good shape. To the top. Then you got, again, the rear tires. The chassis is also in very good shape. And here's your driver's side front tire. These trucks are always pretty well maintained from this company, okay? So let's go to the inside. Door panels are in good shape. It's got power windows, air conditioning, everything works. Driver's side seat's in good shape. Passenger side seat is a little ripped up there, but overall, pretty good truck. Pull the cab. As you can see here, everything works, functions. Cab comes up. Very good condition. Let's start her up. Sometimes these diesels take a little bit to start. There you go. Let it rev a little. Let's go to the back of the truck. We'll let it warm up and then we'll give it a little. Back of the box is in good shape. There are shelves there that can be taken out. Okay, not a problem. Some people like it, so they keep it. So here's your box in very good condition. Good running truck. 164,000 miles on the odometer. Okay, truck runs good. We just did a neutral safety switch on it. I have to mention that the ABS light is on. It's a very common problem on these things. Okay, so that is setting off the check engine light on the ABS. Otherwise, truck runs spectacular. I drove this vehicle, this truck, a few times, so it is a very good truck. Let's shut her off. So now we have here a 2011 Isuzu NPR-HD 5.2 diesel. Great running condition. I would drive this vehicle anywhere. Okay, give us a call, 201-440-1323. You can view this video and pics of this video at www.carconnectiononline.com. That's www.carconnectiononline.com. Okay, give us a call. Come check it out. Very nice truck. Everyone stay safe, and thanks for viewing this video.